I'm a retired Army sergeant, and today I'm going to tell you about a fire safety crisis that's affecting military families across the country and why fire blankets have become essential equipment in base housing. What I'm about to share could save lives in military communities, but the lessons apply to any family living in government or shared housing. My name is Sarah. I served 15 years in the Army, and this is the safety briefing I wish every military family received. Military housing presents unique fire safety challenges that most civilians never consider. You're living in government owned buildings that might be decades old, often with outdated electrical systems and limited renovation budgets. You're frequently moving to new assignments, living in unfamiliar housing with different kitchen layouts and appliances. And here's the big one: you have limited control over major safety modifications to your living space. Last year at Fort Campbell, a kitchen fire in family housing spread to 3 adjacent units because residents didn't have proper fire suppression equipment. The families lost everything: photos, uniforms, personal items that can't be replaced. But the worst part was that it was completely preventable with the right preparation. Here's what makes fire blankets perfect for military families. First, they're portable. When you PCS to a new duty station, your fire blankets move with you. You don't have to research local safety equipment stores or figure out what's available on base. Your fire safety moves with your household goods. Second, they work in any type of housing. Whether you're in barracks, family housing, or living off base, fire blankets adapt to any kitchen configuration. I've lived in housing built in the 1940s and brand new construction, and fire blankets work effectively in both. Third, they're approved for government housing. Unlike some fire suppression systems that might require approval from housing management, fire blankets are considered personal safety equipment. No special permissions required. But here's the most important point for military families. When you're dealing with deployments, long work hours, and high stress situations, kitchen accidents are more likely to happen. Your spouse might be cooking dinner alone while managing kids and worrying about your deployment. Fire blankets provide a foolproof safety solution that works even under stress. Let me show you the technique that's now part of our family safety plan. Keep fire blankets mounted near all cooking areas: stovetop, toaster oven, anywhere heat and food come together. When a fire starts, cover it immediately. The fire dies in seconds, and you can focus on your family's safety instead of fighting a growing blaze. I now brief every military family I meet about fire blanket safety because I've seen too many preventable tragedies. Your service to our country shouldn't put your family at greater risk at home. Invest in portable, effective fire safety that moves with you wherever the military sends you. Military families sacrifice enough for our country. Don't let inadequate fire safety put your loved ones at risk. Get fire blankets, learn the techniques, and protect your family with the same dedication you bring to protecting our nation.